host, Michelle Farley, your professional copywriter and creative producer. Today we're talking about email marketing, how you can get more bang for your buck following these 4 simple tips. If you're ready to get started, let's go. All right, so email marketing. I am going to share with you my formula that I use for many of my clients. It's called the A.C.T.S method. It's A.C.T.S. That stands for attention, curiosity, thirsty, and spend. What? All right, so let's start. A, attention. Attention. Your headline has got to make people engaged. That's all I can say about that. You have to make them engaged, right? You can simply say, new book dropping June 15th. That's my birthday, just put it out there. New book dropping June 15th, link inside. Now, for people who follow you, they may look at your email. They may click on that and look through it. For those people who are kind of like, maybe not, they might instantly trash it or think about coming to read it later on, right? However, if you put something like muddy pants, toddler fight, and the cops get called, ... people, you've gained their attention. And they're like, what? So a lot of questions are probably running through their mind, like, did the toddlers fight? Did someone call the cops on the toddler? Why was her pants muddy, right? So that brings us right into C, curiosity. So now that headline has grabbed their attention, they're in your email, they're curious to see what is going on, what the heck is she talking about, and instantly the first 3 lines can go into that this is an excerpt from your new book, saying that you're writing a book. And so now they're all engaged or going through the different sentences, getting more information, which leads us to the thirst part. You've already captured them. They're engaged, they wanted to know more, and now they're feeling like they're a part of the story, right? So now we're at the thirsty part. This is where like, okay, well, I want a copy of this because I gotta know what happens, or I need to know when does this drop so I can get a copy. And that is when you can hit someone with the offer, right? So in this instance, it would be if you pre-order your book now, you receive 20% off of the book when it drops in June, right? So now we move on to the spend part. So they're ready to spend their money, right? So you just have to make sure that your customer journey, which we talked about in a previous video, is ready to get that sale. So it should be click here, buy here, whatever it is, makes it easy for them to click a button, put your book in the cart, and spend that money. And voila, that is the A.C.T.S method. Simple, but super effective. Again, I hope you found this helpful. Those are my 4 tips for email marketing, A.C.T.S. Again, my name is Michelle Farley. If it's your first time coming to my channel, welcome. Thank you. Please subscribe. If you're watching this on any of my other platforms, please make sure that you follow me. Make sure that you click on the link, register, share with a friend, share with anyone who may be thinking about copywriting or just want to learn a bit more. So, again, until next time, I wish you peace and blessings.